Good day, great viewers. You are welcome to our channel, YangaLife channel today. Yes, we want to give you an important update as usual. It's our pleasure, giving our great viewers updates on the things that they are supposed to know. So that is what we are going to do today. We are going to visit the road that leads to the largest market in West Africa. Some says the largest market in Africa. That is Onitsha main market. That is where we are going today. So, if you are coming from Asaba or if you are coming from Opiweka, you can still access. There are so many other roads you can use to go to the main market if you are coming from Opiweka side. But my main concern is if you are coming from Asaba. If you are coming from Asaba, you enter the bridge, First Niger Bridge. As soon as you drop from the bridge, please watch it and be very careful. Immediately you enter the bridge, there is a sign on that bridge that you should not overtake inside the bridge. There is a yellow box there. I think it's just one place. It's no longer at the entrance of the bridge from Asaba, but you get it at the middle. So as soon as you enter, you see that sign at the middle. You are not supposed to overtake. If they catch you, you go and pay heavily. That is what is going on now. It has started since last year. It has started last year. A lot of people fell victim of it last year. So this is an opportunity to remind you, viewers, or your friends or your relatives, to be cautious when you enter the bridge to avoid overtaking. You might be seeing all those blue buses or Asaba buses. They will be going following, doing overtaking, and the rest of them. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Don't follow them. If these boys are in the middle of the bridge or towards the end of the bridge, if they catch you, you are going in for it. You are paying not less than 5,000 naira, whether you have it or not. So that is the situation. So if you are coming from Asaba, once you enter the bridge, avoid overtaking. If you drop from the bridge, avoid using under the bridge. I think that place is blocked too. So the argument is that you are supposed to go down to Opiweka and use the interchange, then come down again towards the head bridge. That is the movement. But sometimes I do see people, they will drop from the bridge, they will follow under the bridge. So we are not too sure, but I'm just telling you so that you be aware of the situation and avoid falling victim of the situation. That is what I am saying. Okay? So that is the movement, because we are coming from Asaba and we are going to follow under, we are going to use under the bridge or Opiweka, because we are moving to the other side, the road that leads to main market. So that is where we are going. So on that road, sometime Governor Soludo, he terminated that contract because when he came for a visit, Tech Nigerian Limited, the company that is handling that project, he suspected that they are not meeting up to the demand. The expected work that they are supposed to have done by now, they have not done it. So he terminated that contract. It should be around over a month ago, he terminated the contract. So, but we decided to say, okay, let's go and check the situation, whether work has resumed or not. So, but on arrival, we met people walking on ground. And from all indication, it is still that Tech Nigeria Limited. Probably the differences has been sorted out. Okay, so but you know that road involves a construction of a channel, water control channel, erosion control channel somewhere. So it's a kind of a double, award of contract on that road. So, but I'm not too sure the exact length of that road, but I know it's more than 1.5 kilometers in length, then or thereabouts. Then the water control channel should be, in fact, I'm not sure about the length of that one. So, but that is where we are going. When we get there, you are going to see everything you need to see, that is going on there. So, but without wasting your time, let's go there and see the situation of work done so far. Thank you.
So this is coming from Asaba. That's on top of the first Niger bridge. So, but just like I said before, you should be careful and avoid overtaking on the first Niger bridge, because you can be caught, and if you are caught, you are going to pay heavily, probably at the range of 35,000, 40,000. But you see those blue buses that just passed now, they may go scot-free, but private vehicles, don't usually go scot-free. So, but I'm just telling you to be, guided and avoid such overtaking. The sign is somewhere there at the middle of the bridge. Although we have passed that sign, I would have showed you. But it's at the middle of the bridge by the top right. You will see it is quite different. It's yellow in color. So that is the sign that prohibits overtaking inside the first Niger bridge. So, but there's another one I'll still show you immediately you drop from the bridge. There's another one. Well, I don't know how effective that one is. Turning under the bridge if you drop from the bridge, turning under is prohibited too. But I don't know if the enforcement of that one is still on. Like these vehicles that are loading on the bridge is very, very wrong. They also contribute in the cause of traffic gridlock and hold up along this axis. So it's supposed to be highly discouraged. You can see another one there loading on top of the bridge. This one that got spoiled, is supposed to leave that axis with immediate effect to avoid causing further hold up. So now we are out of the bridge. You see, turning right like this under the bridge is not acceptable. I don't know if that law is still in existence, but throughout last year, December period and January, it has been in effective enforcement. So people are not allowed to drop from the bridge and follow under the bridge into the Onitsha Main Market Road. So this is the area at the head bridge where the road, continues into Niger Street. From there you head to the main market. So now we are moving down to the main market, but there is an important update here. The road is cut into two here because of the drainage construction, so you can't go straight. You are going to divert right, as if you are going to Port Harcourt Road, but you divert left again and move straight. From straight you enter the main market road again, but that is not our focus. We are going to go back to show the main portion that we are supposed to see, but I'm just trying to show you that this is where people follow now. If you are going to main market, this is the road from head bridge. And this is the road from head bridge. There is another one at Oga. So, but this one is if you are coming straight from the first Niger bridge. So we have gone back to the place we cut off before, so we can view that place and know the situation. So this is the place that we cut before. I see there is drainage channel here, kind of covered to channel water. So that's why the road is cut off completely from this axis. So you can see how far the job has gone. But however, we are still moving down towards the main market, where there is ongoing construction of the drainage control channel, so that you can have the complete detailed view of that area and the rest of the video. Thank you.
So you are welcome back from that video. I hope you enjoyed it. At least you have seen all the details of that work that you are supposed to see. So we give it to you live and direct and give you the things that you are supposed to have seen. So, but if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscription button, notification button, like this video. Don't forget to share this video. Share it so that others can watch and see what is going on. Then we are expecting you to, drop your own comment about this video so that we will know, we will follow up with your comments. However, we still promise to, keep updating you as time goes on about this video, about these key projects. Then secondly, personally, this is a personal thing. That road is a key road. It's a key road to the main market in Onitsha. So I thought that when the contract was terminated, that probably the specification of that job should have been reviewed. Reviewed in the sense of making that road dual carriageway. I'm not saying that the one that is being done is bad anyway, but that road is supposed to and needs to be a dual carriageway so that it will help in the ease of doing business, along that axis. That is my own take home, and with that, I am going to rest my case. I'm still Chinedu by name, but until I come your way next time, keep visiting this channel and get your important updates. Thanks for watching and bye for now.